Hello, in this video I will show you how to make a light sign from a JPG, PNG image. The first step is to transfer the image or logo from the web. You can easily convert an image to SVG format using online converters. We import the SVG into the Fusion 360 program. We extrude individual parts that should have the same color. According to experience, the best thickness is 0.6 mm. In this case, we have 3 colors, that means we are extruding 3 components. When we have the upper side made, we make the shell. We simply create a sketch with an offset that will determine the thickness of the shell. We make the back cover, which should have at least 0.2 mm clearance. Finally, we export each component separately. They can be named by color. If the online converter does not convert the image correctly, we can use a program such as SketchUp. Import all files into the Bambu Lab Studio program at once and click OK. Under the Objects tab, specify the color of the individual components. I hope the video was understandable and thanks for watching. Bye.